Welcome to Macaw, New Generation Preschool, where little wings learn to fly. Each morning, the gates of Macaw, New Generation Preschool, open like a bird's wings, spreading wide to greet the joyful little ones.
Our vision is to identify and develop the hidden potential within every child. This will empower the child to grow stronger, confident, and joyful. This is our journey for over a decade.
The children fly in and find their places in the classrooms, which undoubtedly serve as a sanctuary, a place of safety, warmth, and limitless opportunities. Each morning, children gather together, meeting their friends, exchanging greetings and settling in. They come together with immense joy and happiness to start the day with prayer and some physical activity.
Hello all stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes. God bless. Mummy. God bless. Daddy. God bless. Teacher. And help me, God, to make them happy. Education is not monochromatic. It is a vibrant mosaic. In Macaw, each activity for every child serves as a feather, adding brilliance to their unique plumage.
At Macaw, the curriculum aims to integrate learning with hands-on activities, making education both engaging and effective. The carefully crafted and frequently revised curriculum establishes a solid foundation for Grade 1, catering to CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, IB, and state boards. Children even showcase the acquired curriculum on the Gleam Day, a day illuminated by the brilliance of their knowledge.
By integrating academics with play, we promote holistic development, nurturing cognitive, social, emotional, and motor skills, while ensuring that the learning experience is joyful and stress-free. Our phonics curriculum is adaptive and interactive, helping children understand sounds, blending, and word formation in a playful way. Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I'm just great. I am fine, I am great. I am very well today. Clap, 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 clap.
The Macaw New Generation Preschool campus includes child-friendly sports and play areas featuring a synthetic athletic track, a futsal turf area, and a safe indoor play gym. These thoughtfully designed spaces allow children to participate in enriching activities during their time at Macaw. Kids love to play and interact with their fellow friends, and this playtime fosters both teamwork and personal confidence in sports and physical activities. The Macaw New Generation places a high importance on early engagement in sports and physical activities, backed by appropriate facilities to foster a child's physical strength, concentration, and self-confidence from an early age.
At Macaw Legion, we believe that a child's physical and mental growth go hand in hand, helping them grow strong, confident, and happy. Yearly exposure to movement and sports, supported by the right infrastructures, plays a vital role in building physical strength, focus, and self-confidence from a young age.
Macaw emphasizes repetitive learning techniques to help children grasp and recall concepts effectively. They acquire knowledge and integrate new colors, and they also develop a passion for cooking along with an understanding of the significance and values associated with healthy food. At Macaw, the safety of children is the highest concern. The campus is carefully designed with CCTV monitoring, padded sharp edges, secure and comfortable entry points, and child-friendly pathways, creating a safe and worry-free environment for every child. Through exceptional dedication and effort, Macaw New Generation Preschool has achieved the Best Standalone School in 2025 and Best Infrastructure in 2026 across India.
Our teaching methodology emphasizes repetitive and reinforcement-based learning, helping children understand concepts clearly and recall them with confidence.
With more than 10 years of a successful journey, the Macaw New Generation Preschool has gained the trust and confidence of parents, demonstrating its commitment to quality care and early education.
Infrastructure was one of my considerations when I was searching for a school for my kid Brian, and Macaw really exceeded my expectations.
Very well structured and meticulously written curriculum, personally written by Director Lakshmi ma'am, wonderfully written, and she keeps updating it very frequently, and it's so easy to understand and assimilate for the children also.
அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு லேர்ன் பண்ணுற விதமே வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கிறதால ஒரு ஃபன்னாகவும் ஒரு ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக ஈஸியாக லேர்ன் பண்ணுறது அவங்க ஒரு என்ஜாய் பண்ணி பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஸோ கிட்டே என்ஜாய் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஆக்சுவலாக நாங்களுமே வெரி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைட் ஆக்சுவலாக ஸோ ஸ்கூலோடைய பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்.
We are truly impressed with Macaw for the wonderful events they conduct. Programs like Gleam Day and Fancy Dress competition are thoughtfully designed to expose kids gently to the crowd and stage settings. It's so good to see kids perform amazing on the stage very comfortably.
My son, he feels this as a second home. He loves to go to school every day, to meet the staff, to be with their friends and everything.
We are focusing both on academics as well as on the social emotional growth, which help my child build curiosity, confidence and yearly skill, which is very important here. And also the teachers are very caring. They are conducting engagement activities not only for the children but also for the parents, which is very, very appreciated, which is creating a warm space between the parents and the teachers over here.
They just bring in all the curriculum and the activities as well, so that the children understand through the activities. So it's wonderfully done.
The environment is safe here and staffs are affectionate. She has learned to share things and take turns, and her confidentiality level also increased a lot.
டீச்சர்ஸ்லாம் எப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு ஒரு ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக பண்ணுறாங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் எப்படி சொல்கிறதுனா ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் செட்டப், ஒரு கிச்சன் செட்டப், அதே மாதிரி ஒரு தியேட்டர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கூட பண்ணாங்க ஒரு டைம். ஆக்சுவலாக அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்குது.
Curriculum at Macaw involves learning-based development, and we could see a holistic development in our child.
And the staff members here take care of my son as their own kid. So that is the biggest strength of this school.
And they make sure parents are also equally involved in all the celebration and the photo shoots. Thank you, Macaw, for creating such a joyful community.
The teachers' commitment and the Macaw School's warm environment make it outstanding overall.
Keep up the good work, and we are also planning to continue next year also, especially because of all the good work, good people around. and excellent management staff and as well as the non-teaching staff.
My kid is really excited to go to Macaw every day.
Hi, I am Sagarika. It is truly a privilege to work in Macaw School. This is not just a school but a second home that prepares children for life.
Hi, my name is Dhanalakshmi. I am working as a teacher in Macaw New Zealand School. It gives me a proud moment as a part of the school. This is the place where I genuinely feel motivated and empowered as a teacher. We work here as a team and support each other.
Hi, I am Mona Vishwakarma. Our play school is a happy place where children love to learn and grow every day. We are so lucky to have our principal ma'am who guide us with a kind heart and great vision.
Thank you for the love and support. Thank you. We love Macaw.
Macaw New Generation Preschool, where little wings learn to fly.